Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackU.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the all-new RST TractTech Evo-R lightweight textile jacket. This jacket retails for $239, okay? We don't update videos when pricing changes, only if the product itself has been totally redesigned. This is a really cool jacket. With the entire RST line that we're bringing in here at STG, I handpicked each one of these products and made sure that I was bringing in the best of the best for our customers here. What makes this special, in my mind, is instead of just being a mesh jacket, right? Which is good. I like mesh coats for sure. I mean, hot weather riding, that's really what we all want to do. We want to ride when it's nice out, and you want to try and keep protection and comfort on a very similar level. With this, you're getting a perforated textile, okay? So that's where the airflow is going to come from. So you have some more structural integrity with this because it is a laser perforated nylon fabric, right? That is a heavier denier, just has more abrasion and tear resistance. Pretty cool stuff. It also has built-in intake vents up here in the shoulders, as well as exhaust vents on the back side. We'll show you the exhaust vents on the back when I have the coat off, but for now you can kind of get a sense for that. Just kind of pops open a little bit in the air, of course. We'll open that more. It's going to work in conjunction with the perforation you see here to circulate air inside the jacket and keep you cool. It also sports a 3D mesh inner liner that creates a pocket of air that lives between the shell of the coat and your body. With the perforation and the vents, it's able to circulate the air in through there, collect all the heat and moisture, and then pour it out the back of the jacket to give you a cool, comfortable riding experience. Armor that comes in the coat, and this is another big deal with RST. This is a complete package here, okay? It's not a coat that comes with an empty pocket in the back. This includes a level 2 CE certified back protector, as well as level 2 CE certified soft shell armor in the elbow, forearm, and shoulder. Let's jump into sizing now. 5 feet 11 inches tall, 197 pounds. I've got a 32-33 inch waist. I'm wearing a size 44 US or 54 Euro right now in the TractTech Evo-R lightweight textile jacket. The fit is exactly where I would like it. One of the things I like with the RST product is in the arms, the shoulders, and the chest, it just fits a little more robust. It's just a little bit bigger cut in that area as compared to some of its European competition. So if you are a little bigger in that area, this is going to be really beneficial for you. And then for people of average build, you just get a little additional comfort built into it. Storage. You have 2 hand warmer style storage pockets here on both sides. They're not super tall pockets, so like you can see, I've got bigger hands. I wear a 2X glove. If I had my glove on, I probably wouldn't be able to get in and out of the pocket, plus the zipper pull's kind of short. Nonetheless, they're still there, and like Caleb and I were talking, those exterior pockets, you really need to access those a lot when you're riding. Most likely not. You're going to put something in there to keep it safe, zip it up, and forget about it until you get to your destination. Inside the coat, we have 2 more storage pockets on the left breast, one up here and one down here built into the liner. Volume adjustment up here in the bicep area, here in the cuff, as well as here at the waist, little motion panel there. Speaking of motion panels, you can see that RST built a bunch of stretch panels into this coat that allow it to just really move around comfortably on your body instead of fighting you when you're on the motorcycle, which is a big plus. I really like this coat. I think it brings a lot of value, a lot of style, heavy on the features, benefits, and quality, light on the price. If you like what you see, stay tuned for the second part. I'm going to have the coat off, break it down from the inside out. Okay, now we'll do an inside out of the RST TractTech Evo-R lightweight textile jacket. Just like the TractTech Evo-R leather jacket, this comes with a full complement of level 2 CE certified armor. We'll start with the back piece. Moldable, flexible, comfortable. The warmer this gets, the more comfortable it gets too. Level 2 certified, lots of impact management here. You notice it does have a bit of thickness to it, but still it remains really comfortable in the jacket, and it's a relatively lightweight piece. Level 2 certified soft shell armor is found in the elbow and forearm, as well as the shoulder. Talking about the shoulder, we also have an integrated shoulder slider. That's going to complement the protection you get from that armor, so you get some aesthetics here and some additional protection. You'll notice there's a heavier denier ballistic nylon fabric that's used here in that impact zone, which is the shoulder to bolster protection. Once again, we've got some reflective printing, some reflective piping, motion panels to keep this jacket mobile so it's not fighting you when you move around on the bike. It just allows you to move and be comfortable. Back of the coat. One of the things that really drew me to this was, instead of just a mesh jacket, this is a perforated textile coat. The perforations are really clean, and that red liner that's on the inside of the coat, you also kind of get a little bit of a peek at that through the perforated holes, and I think it adds to the style of the coat. Screen printed RST logos, motion panel, just like the leather coat, comes all the way from the collar, under the arm to the front of the jacket. Additional exhaust vents are built in here on both sides, little mesh liner on the inside, so for those really hot days, you can open the intake vents in the front as well as the exhaust vents in the rear. Just going to help amplify that exchange of air. Keep the rider cooler and comfortable while you're on the bike. Got a little volume adjuster here at the waist. It's done with a D-ring textile, right? Little motion panel there. Volume adjusters in both arms. They're going to be found right here in the bicep area. Little adjustment here at the cuff, a little TPR and Velcro. Nice soft fabric here at the end of the cuff, keeps it comfortable. Storage. We have two hand warmer style storage pockets both sides. I'm going to show you right now, those aren't giant pockets, okay? I wear a 2X glove, bigger hands. I can get my hand in there without a glove on, but if I had a glove on, probably not going to work. I don't know if that's really a deal breaker for you or not, but just thought we would point that out. The front of the coat, lots of perforation here for airflow. Up in the shoulder area, there is a hidden vent. Zip that open. When you have the coat on, just kind of pops open. You're going to drive air in and through there. It's going to help to circulate air, bring it out the back of the coat. Another important feature here is this 3D mesh liner that's inside the coat. What this does, it maintains a pocket of air between your body and the shell of the jacket. All the ventilation helps flow air through that, takes the hot air out, brings the cool air in, keeps the rider comfortable. Zippered storage pocket here on the left breast. This feels like that's probably a water resistant pocket. Okay, probably not a bad place for a cell phone. Another storage pocket here. Inside the liner on the left breast. Zip to pants attachment system. We haven't brought in any of the textile pants. Right, we have riding jeans we brought in, but we didn't bring in any of the zip to textile pants to go with this, just to be up front. If you want to access the elbow and shoulder armor, there's a little pocket down here. You're going to zip that open, reach your hand up in there into the shoulder or the elbow area, and you have easy access to all that. In the sleeves of the coat, they use a different style fabric, right? A nice mesh fabric. It's more comfortable against the skin, right? This is a little bulkier here in the chest area, and realistically, this is most effective when it's used in areas where there are perforations. I really like this coat a lot. This is, I think, one of the best hot weather jackets that you're going to find. It comes complete with all the armor. The price is just barely over $200. You get a lot of style, a lot of protection, a lot of comfort for very little money. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments section of the video. I answer all those myself, and I'm here to help you choose the right jacket in the right size.